Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is basically how to get the best Etsy promo codes in 2023. These discount codes will save you $100, I believe it was, off your order. Yeah, it is $100, I forgot it's in the background. So this discount code is by far the best one that I've found for Etsy. Especially in 2023, discount codes are hard to find, and Etsy's getting more and more expensive. The creators on here, although they make good products, they seem to be increasing the prices, so this comes at a very good time. Now this promo code takes a couple of minutes to get, so I'm going to run through the steps here in this tutorial and show you how you can get your very own Etsy promo code. So grab your mobile phone, guys. I'm using an iPhone and I'm using Safari internet, but you can use any device you wish, any browser, and you have to go to this website, guys. You got to make sure you go directly to the website, so just pause the video if you need to, and it's www.giftcardhero.net. Now when you reach the website, you need to find this Etsy page. And to do that, you can press this green button, go to the search bar, type in Etsy, and there we go, Etsy promo code. So this is the page you need to find. Click it. Now, this is the section. Etsy, $100 of your order. Now, these codes are limited. However, this number I seem to remember doesn't update that often, but if you can find this Etsy promo code page, that means there are codes left for you to get, so don't worry. This is an exclusive code, $100 off your order, so obviously you just need to add over $100 worth of Etsy products to your basket, apply this code, and it will work. So yeah, let's get the code, guys. Let's press this button. Now this is a verification step. You've probably seen this before, it's fairly common. However, if you haven't, I'll talk you through how to get by it. This protects the codes. People create robots to steal all of these codes, so this basically just verifies that you're a real person and you need the code. You're an end user basically. Now to complete it, we need to complete 2 of the free app/survey offers below. So there's a list of tasks here. You just have to complete 2 of them. They're completely free and they take a couple of minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and complete 2 surveys because I prefer the surveys. You just have to answer some questions. And then I think you have to enter in your email address. Make sure you put in the correct email, guys, because this verifies that you're a real person. And it also does email you the code just as a backup. So give me a couple of minutes. I'm going to go ahead, complete 2 of these, and we'll see together if it gives me the code. So with the power and magic of editing, that was a split second. However, it took me a couple of minutes. I know it's annoying, by the way, to complete this step. However, this is the only way we can get this $100 off code, so it's well worth it in my opinion. I just completed 2 of these offers. Now you have to make sure you fully complete them and follow all of the steps, guys, because we want to make sure this actually works first time, and do it as quick as possible. Otherwise you're going to keep trying different ones. You just need to complete 2 of them fully. Now when you return to Gift Card Hero, back to this page, scroll back down, and there you go. It has now allocated me my personal discount code for Etsy. That's going to remove $100 off my basket. So there is a discount code section in the basket and at checkout, and when I apply this, it's going to reduce my order cost. So you have to get your own code, guys. Go to giftcardhero.net, and you can watch this tutorial more than once if you get stuck. Make sure you follow all of the steps, pause it, do your steps, continue the video if you need to. It's pretty easy once you learn how. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Press the like button and I will see you in the next video.